Okay, today we're going to go over how to import an AutoCAD file into TDL. So first thing you're going to do is open up the project that you're working on. So I'll open up my AutoCAD demo project, and then you're going to head over to drawings, and there's a plus sign underneath that. You're going to click that. On this screen, you're going to click the black add a drawing button. And then after that, once you get to this screen, you can use this button right here to navigate to the folder that your file is stored on your tablet. If you're using a USB stick, that will show up over here on this side of the screen. Or if you are using Topcon's cloud storage program, you can click here. Or if you have your OneDrive hooked up, you can also use that. But I have my file stored on my computer, so I am going to navigate there. So you can see right now a DXF file shows up once I click into my folder where my files are located. If you don't see your file for whatever reason, you may try switching the file type down here. So you can see you can either pick from a DWG, DXF, or PDF file type. If you are going to use a PDF, I'm going to make another video on how to import those. It's a bit different than AutoCAD files, but make sure you have the right file type selected. TDL can only use DWGs or DXFs. Those are the two most common file types anyway. So I'm going to click into DWG, and now I see the file that I actually want to import. From there, you're just going to click it. That'll highlight it blue. Then you can press this blue open file button. From here, it's going to ask you what you want selected as your distance units. I almost always leave this as defined in file just because that actually reads the scale that's built into the AutoCAD file. But if you do have scaling issues when you open this up, there's a variety of different scaling options that you're able to choose from if needed. Also, I turn explode hatches on. Most cases, this will just make the file a little bit more user-friendly to deal with in the software and during layout, because hatches are a CAD term, and those hatches are just not needed for layout at all. If your file does come in a bit weird, you can try re-importing it and turning this off. But like I said, for most files, turning this on is going to import it better. From there, you can press the continue button. That'll import your drawing. And it's going to ask you if you want to import all these layers. You can uncheck them if you want to. Usually I just import all of them because we can hide layers later on. So I'll import layers, press OK, and now we see our drawing. So now we can back up. And if we click into job 1, our drawing shows up. One thing I always tell people when they're first putting drawings into TDL is that before we go ahead and make any points on this, what you should do is check the scale of your drawing. So we can go into this drawing and click any line that we want to, and it's going to tell you the distance. If it doesn't tell you the distance of the line when you click on it, just make sure that when you pop this side tab open and then click this button, that you have dimensions turned on. If you have this turned off, it's not going to read dimensions of lines. So when you first open a file, just go around, tap a few lines, make sure that the scale is making sense, then start making points. If you make points on a file that's not the scale, you're going to have to redo all your points and re-import the AutoCAD file. That's it for this video. As always, post any questions or comments in the comment section, and we will do our best to help you out.